comes to camera shakes in After Effects, there is two simple ways that you can do this. The first way is to get yourself a wiggle position. If you search it in the effects and presets, you can apply it onto your video. Once you've done that, this will give you all of these properties right here. But the most important two, or three in this case, is the speed, amount, and scale. This is more of the advanced options, but if you want to change the speed, you would increase this number or decrease it depending on how quick or slow. And you can change the amount to either 50 or 60. The higher this number is, the more the screen will shake. So if we have a look at this, you can see this is looking really good for this setting right here. Now, one thing that you'll notice is the black bars. This is normal because the video is shaking and is going outside of the canvas. So to fix this, the simplest way is to either increase the scale in here, and you can also reposition it with these options, or you can press S on your video and just increase the scale to around, let's say, 107. And this will just remove the black bars. And then the cherry on top, if you wanted to, you can switch modes and get yourself in this mode right here and enable the motion blur. What this will do is if we switch over to full preview, you can see every time the camera shakes, it also adds in some motion blur. You can see the before and after. It just adds in some realism to what the camera would look like. Now, the second way to do this is to open up your video. Get yourself in the position, and you want to hold Alt and left click on the stopwatch. If you type in wiggle bracket, type in the speed, comma, and then the amount. So the first one will be the speed and the second one will be the amount. This will just automatically apply those settings. It's very minimalistic if you just want the screen to shake. You can also do a really cool thing, and that is if you wanted to control either the speed or the amount with a slider control, you can apply it onto your video. And then let's say that you wanted to control the amount with the slider control. You would use the pick whip and then drag this up to the slider. This will give you this expression right here. And as you can see at the moment, we have no screen shake because it's set to 0. But if we start to increase this, it will start to apply the screen shake. So it's completely up to you whichever way you want to use it or whichever way you want to do this effect.